Hi, this is Rachel from RightStart. I wanted to kind of walk you through the process of how to work through level G worksheet 12, specifically the ruler section. The first thing you can do, now you can also do this with tiles, but I tend to do this with a 4-1 ruler, is just mark the inches across the top. What I did was I just took a look at, slid the 4-1 ruler up to the top and then just put little tick marks where the inches hit. I know that also in the lessons they say use the tiles, and you can do the same thing. Just some of the tiles are not totally 1 inch, so it could throw things off just a little bit, but however works best for you. Once you go ahead and get those inches tick marked, then I would just take my 30-60 triangle and just draw the full line down for each one of those tick marks. I'm only going to do a couple here. Now, the next part of the directions tell us that we need to find the 1/2 inch. So this is where we're going to bisect. Okay, so we're going to use our 30-60 triangle and we're going to line it up here. This is where I tend to line it up at the very top. So I'm going to line up my 30-60 triangle so that the edge of it is right here at the top of this inch, and I'm just going to draw a very light line up there so you can kind of see a little light line, and then I'm going to flip it over. So notice what I just did. So here was my initial line, then I'm going to flip it over so it's facing the other direction. I'm going to line it up on the other side of that 1 inch. I'm not lining it up over here or over here. I'm lining it up where between the 2 lines for my inch, right? So I'm going to line that up here, and I'm going to again draw another little faint line. Now where these lines intersect is going to be the halfway mark. So I'm going to line up my straight edge here, and I am going to come down to my inch line and just draw my 1/2 mark. And that is how I find the 1/2 mark. I hope that helps. Have a great day.